Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fresh fish light soup. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of fresh white fish, such as cod or snapper, cut into 2-inch pieces. Have 4 cups of good quality fish or vegetable broth ready. Also, finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. These aromatics will build a wonderful flavor base for your light soup. Now, let's get our fish and broth ready. Gently pat your fish fillets dry with paper towels. This helps them cook evenly and prevents a watery soup. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Pour in the 4 cups of broth and bring it to a gentle simmer. It's time to cook our delicious soup. Once the broth is simmering gently, carefully add your 2-inch fish pieces to the pot. Avoid stirring too vigorously to keep the fish intact. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the fish turns opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Finally, season your soup with salt, a pinch of white pepper, and a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice to brighten all the flavors. Your fresh fish light soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into warm bowls and garnish with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions for a pop of color and extra freshness. This soup is best served immediately, so savor every light and flavorful spoonful. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, plus other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.